Two DeFi protocols lost over $10 million in 2026 to the same bug. March, 1-inch Fusion V1, 5 million stolen. May 7th, TrustedVolumes, 5.87 million. Same attacker. Both validated cryptographic signatures correctly. Both verified the signer and both accepted the exact same signature twice because neither tracked whether a signature had already been used. This is signature replay and the fix is one line of solidity. We will see the bug, then the fix in Remix, the browser-based Solidity ID. We create a new file in the contracts folder. Name it vulnerable.sol. Pragma 0.8.26, contract vulnerable, one storage mapping, used hashes, from bytes 32 to bool, public so Solidity auto-generates a getter, one event used, logging the hash and a was used flag, and one external function, execute, taking a bytes 32 hash. Inside execute, we read the prior value of used hashes, set used hashes for this hash to true, emit the used event. That is the entire contract. Notice what is missing, no require statement. The contract observes the hash was used, the event tells you, but nothing stops the second call. Same hash, second time, the function runs again and state changes again. In a real protocol that branch transfers funds and one signed message drains liquidity twice. This is exactly what happened to 1-inch Fusion V1 and to TrustedVolumes. Switch to the Solidity compiler. Compile vulnerable.sol. Green check. The syntax is clean, the contract would deploy and run on mainnet, and the compiler cannot see that replay protection is missing. Back to the file panel. Create a second file, Fixed.sol. Same pragma, same contract layout, same storage mapping, same event, same external function. The body is identical except for one new line at the top, require not used hashes of hash with the revert reason signature already used. That is the fix. 6 words of solidity, evaluated before any state change. The second call with the same hash hits the require, the transaction reverts. No state changes, no funds move. The attack ends. Compile Fixed.sol, green check. Both contracts compile identically. The difference between them is one require statement. Look at them side by side. Vulnerable execute is 3 lines. Read prior, write true, emit. Fixed execute is 4. Require not used, then the same 3 lines. One require statement, evaluated before any state change. Stopped 2 real hacks worth over $10 million combined. This pattern is mandatory for every limit order DEX, every meta transaction relayer, every account abstraction wallet that accepts user-signed permits. If you ship Solidity that validates off-chain signatures, SOKEN.io ships the audit that catches this before mainnet.